You're asleep, completely unconscious, maybe drooling on your pillow, probably snoring, with absolutely no awareness of the world around you. Biologically speaking, you're helpless. Now imagine you're not safely inside your bedroom. You're sleeping in a tent. A ridiculously thin sheet of nylon separates you from a forest containing bears, wolves, lions, leopards, and other animals perfectly capable of killing you. They can smell you from enormous distances. They can hear movements you don't even notice. Many of them can see clearly in darkness while you're lying there with your eyes closed. And yet, most people wake up perfectly. Fine. Why? A sleeping human seems like the easiest meal imaginable. Slow meat, quiet meat, meat that cannot run, fight back, or even understand what is happening until it is already happening. You might expect predators to patrol campsites every night like an all-you-can-eat buffet, but they usually don't. The explanation isn't just one thing. It is a collection of instincts, calculations, smells, ancient experiences, and evolutionary warnings that together create a strange, invisible barrier between sleeping humans and the predators outside. And the first reason sounds like an ego trip, but it is simply biology. Humans are terrifying. Not you, personally. You're probably perfectly normal. But humans as a species are deeply frightening to large predators. On paper, that makes no sense. We have no claws. We aren't particularly fast. We aren't especially strong for our size, and our night vision is terrible. But predators don't judge us only by our bodies. They judge us by our reputation. For hundreds of thousands of years, humans have hunted, trapped, poisoned, and driven large predators away. The animals that approached human camps too boldly often died. The cautious ones survived, reproduced, and passed that caution forward. So when a predator notices a human nearby, an ancient alarm activates. Be careful. Don't engage. Move away. Scientists have seen this fear directly. In one experiment, researchers played recordings of ordinary human conversations near mountain lions in California. Nothing aggressive. No shouting. Just people talking. The mountain lions fled. Some even abandoned food they had already killed and were actively eating. From a survival perspective, that is an enormous sacrifice. Hunting costs energy. Leaving a fresh kill behind is basically working for free. But being near humans felt more dangerous than going hungry. The same pattern appears across the world. Lions reduce their movement near human activity. Tigers avoid villages even when those villages sit inside excellent habitat. Jaguars change their routes to stay away from places people regularly visit. These animals are not incapable of attacking humans. They simply prefer not to. And then there is your smell. To you, your scent seems normal because you are surrounded by humans constantly. But to a predator with a nose far more sensitive than yours, you smell completely bizarre. You smell like nylon, polyester, soap, shampoo, sunscreen, insect repellent, cooked food, plastic packaging, and whatever snack is buried inside your backpack. Nothing in nature smells quite like that. Underneath all those artificial chemicals, you still smell like a primate. But that does not make you normal prey. Predators do not attack everything that contains meat. Their hunting instincts are tuned to familiar targets. A wolf recognizes the movement of deer and other hoofed animals. A lion responds to the shape, speed, smell, and behavior of prey it has hunted repeatedly. But you do not fit that pattern. You are too strange, and strange things create uncertainty. For predators, uncertainty is dangerous. A human might suddenly stand up, scream, throw something, use a weapon, or wake several other humans nearby. So instead of triggering the thought, easy meal, your smell and shape often trigger something much safer. Unknown animal, possible danger. Keep your distance. Then there is fire. For most of human history, sleeping outside usually meant sleeping near a campfire. And fire is one of the strongest warning signals in the natural world. Animals do not need to understand combustion. They only need to know that flames and smoke are dangerous. Individuals that avoided fire survived. Individuals that walked directly into it did not contribute much to the gene pool. So, a campfire does more than provide warmth. It announces that something unusual is nearby, something that controls fire, something predators have learned to avoid. But even without flames, most predators are far more cautious than movies suggest. A lion is not a fearless killing machine, attacking everything within reach. A wolf does not take unnecessary risks for fun. In the wild, one injury can be fatal. A broken leg, damaged eye, or deep wound can prevent an animal from hunting. There are no veterinarians, painkillers, or guaranteed meals. If the injury does not heal while the predator continues finding food, it may slowly starve. That means every attack is a calculation. How much energy will this prey provide? How likely is the hunt to succeed? How dangerous could the target become? A sleeping human looks vulnerable, but also unfamiliar and unpredictable. You might wake up screaming. You might grab a weapon. You might be surrounded by other humans. And when you stand, you suddenly become tall, upright, loud, and much larger than you appeared on the ground. That uncertainty makes you a bad gamble. There are usually easier options nearby. Deer, rabbits, rodents, or other prey the predator already understands. And your sleep is not quite as helpless as it feels. Humans move through lighter and deeper sleep stages. During lighter sleep, the brain continues processing unusual sounds. A snapping branch, heavy footsteps, or movement in nearby brush can pull you toward waking surprisingly quickly. You are unconscious, but part of your brain is still standing guard. There is also the group factor. Humans rarely camp completely alone. We travel together, sleep close together, and react collectively. Predators understand group behavior extremely well because they usually hunt by isolating individuals. A zebra at the edge of the herd is vulnerable. One in the middle is much harder to attack. A camp full of sleeping humans works the same way. If one person wakes up, they make noise. That wakes the others. Suddenly, what looked like one easy target becomes several confused, shouting animals standing upright and grabbing whatever is nearby. That is exactly the kind of chaotic situation predators try to avoid. But none of this means humans are untouchable. Attacks do happen. They usually happen when the normal rules have broken down. An injured predator may no longer be able to catch its usual prey. An old animal may become desperate. Habitat destruction may remove normal food sources. Animals fed by tourists may also lose their natural fear and begin associating humans with food. In those situations, the calculation changes. The famous lions of Tsavo, for example, attacked railway workers in Kenya in 1898. But these were unusual animals. One had severe dental damage, which may have made hunting normal prey difficult. The Champawat tiger, blamed for hundreds of deaths in India and Nepal, had also suffered serious damage to its teeth. These predators were not behaving normally. They were desperate. And there is one final twist. Humans have made predators so afraid of us that our presence can reshape entire ecosystems. When large predators avoid human areas, prey animals may multiply. Vegetation gets overgrazed. Smaller predators shift territory. Rodent populations change. We influence the natural world simply by being present. So next time you are lying in a tent, listening to something move beyond the thin nylon wall, that fear in your chest is ancient and useful. But the animal outside is probably more afraid of you. It has thousands of generations telling it the same thing. Do not go closer.